In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Grok Imagine. By the end, you'll know exactly how to open the Imagine workspace, attach an image, and let the tool generate results for you with minimal effort. Start by opening your web browser and heading to grok.com. Give the page a second to load so the interface can initialize properly. On the left-hand side of the screen, you'll see the main navigation panel. This sidebar is where you'll find Grok's different tools and sections. If your window is very narrow and you don't see it right away, try expanding the browser or looking for a small icon that reveals the menu. From that left-hand panel, click on Imagine. This takes you into the image workspace. The layout is simple and focused, so you can get right to creating. Take a quick look around so you know where things are. We're going to use the attachment control at the bottom. At the bottom of the interface, locate the paperclip icon. This is the upload button. Click the paperclip to open the attachment options. You'll see an option that says upload a file. Click upload a file to bring up your computer's file picker. Now choose the image you want to use. Common formats like JPG or PNG work well, and a clear, well-lit source image usually produces better results. If you have multiple versions of the same picture, pick the one with the best resolution and least compression. After you select your file, confirm your choice in the file dialog. You should see the file name and a small preview appear in the interface, which lets you know the file is being prepared. Once your file is selected, you don't need to press anything else. Grok Imagine will auto-generate from your upload. You may notice a brief status indicator showing that it's processing. That's normal. Keep the tab open and avoid refreshing while it works. Depending on your image size and connection speed, generation can take a moment. Now, wait until it finishes. You'll see the result appear right in the workspace when it's done. If it seems to be taking longer than expected, give it another few seconds. Larger files naturally take more time. When the generation completes, review the output on screen. If you want to try a different source image later, just repeat the same steps. Open the paperclip, upload a file, let it auto-generate, and wait for the final render. That's it. You've successfully used Grok Imagine to process an image from upload to result with a clean, straightforward workflow.